once you've started this program, we start at ground level, learning how to section hair, shampoo hair, disorders of the hair, how the hair grows.
We learn like how to cut hair, how to curls, how to work with the different type of hair, like curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, and we learn how to do perms, color, how to do different techniques and different skills with the color. And there's like a different type of skills which we didn't know before, but by being in this program, we learned a lot how to do from like beginning to the end.
So once you've completed the program, there are all different avenues that you could take. You could work behind a chair, you could be a color expert, you could be an educator. I even worked for a funeral home for a little while before I started at the college. So there's all different avenues that you could take once you've completed the program and got your license.
If we are talking about our teacher, they are so good and they will tell us like how to do it. They will hold your hand, they will teach you, and they are always beside you, and they will help you in any situation and any step.
So we have a great team of faculty working with us here at St. Clair. All of our faculty still works in industry, and I think the biggest thing we hear is how caring our faculty is. To us, it's not just a job. We all love what we do. It's a passion, and we try and instill that passion in our students.